Do you guys see this huge bag? You'd be so surprised that when you saute this, what it turns into. This goes from this to like that real quick. What's up, guest fam? It's Jen Selter here, and today we're gonna make a healthy dinner together. But first, I thought I would do a little workout with you guys because why not? Let's get a little burn in. Grab your band, a mat, and let's go. Today I'm going to be cooking one of my favorite healthy dinners with you guys, and we don't have Graham today because he does not sell barbecue, so he's down the hall. He has a girlfriend. He has a girlfriend before I have a boyfriend during COVID. I need answers. And his girlfriend is a cat. Like what? I love a healthy, nice dinner, and as you know, breakfast is my absolute favorite meal of the day, but then dinner's kind of up there with it. I usually order my meals on Sunday, so I'll get like shrimp that's kind of already prepared, and then some greens, all that. And it's so easy to just prepare your own meals at home. It's super healthy, and you feel better when you eat good.
Yeah.
Alright, are you guys ready?
Yes.
I love cheese on my veggies, and hearts of palm pasta is so freaking good. Simple. Y'all ready?
Let's get to it.
And now we're gonna start with the hearts of palm pasta. All right, this is a game changer for your garlic. Let's just squash it. Get that garlic going. If you don't have one of these, go on Amazon and invest. It's really good. So when it comes to cooking, I'm very fast. I like to cruise. Let that garlic go. We can do some full ones. Yeah.
All right, what are we putting in?
First, we gotta get it going a little bit more, and then we're gonna put all our veggies in. All right. So while that's going, we are going to go right here now. Get the shrimps popping. Honestly, so freaking good.
Oh, look out. Jen's feeling fancy in the kitchen today.
Fancy over here. All right.
It's her food dance.
Is it?
Yeah. She's getting ready. Getting ready to eat.
All right, let's get the shrimps popping up. Throw these little suckers in. Some cheese and pasta. This is called a 10-minute dinner. Alright, let's get some tomatoes.
Oh. Whoa.
Some cheese in the veggies are gonna happen also. Yeah. So now I have my hearts of palm pasta with my shrimp and tomato with extra cheese because cheese is life, guys. Trick to veggies. And some cheese, because cheese is just, for everything these days. That's it. My 10-minute dinner. Alright guys, and that's my 10-minute easy healthy dinner. Right here we have the hearts of palm pasta with shrimp, garlic, spinach, cheese, and tomato. So good. It's still a little too hot to eat, so I'm not gonna burn myself yet. And then I love my veggies, nice and burnt, garlicky, and cheesy. So this is what my dinner usually looks like. Thank you so much for joining me today for my healthy dinner and my little workout. I'll be back soon, and if you have any questions, comment below.